All right, here we are at our 14 by 30 foot. This is approximately a 420 square foot floating cabin for sale. We're here on the beautiful freshwaters of Norris Lake, Tennessee, which is just north of Knoxville, Tennessee. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath floating cabin. We are moored within a marina's harbor, and a boat is required to access this particular floating cabin. Now it can stay right here where it's currently located. It is currently hooked to shore power. And it has a onboard water maker system where you can make your own potable water year-round. And just about everything that you'll see in the video will be remaining with this particular cabin, or it will be staying with it or included with it, which includes this water slide, swim boarding ladder, Weber gas grill, all this here on the little swim dock that I'm standing on right now. It's about a 10 by 28 foot swim dock. We've got a pair of PWC drive-on ports near the back of the cabin and covered front porch. We're here for our video walkthrough. Now I'll invite you to visit our website if you haven't already. That's at www.yournewboat.com. That's where you'll find the current asking price of this one along with the full list of specifications. We won't mention those in the video tours because those will often change until a listing is sold. Our website's very easy to navigate. Mostly just includes inventory in the Norris Lake area. www.yournewboat.com. You'll know you're there when you see the orange lettering. Look for the Find Your New Boat button in the top left-hand corner of your screen, and that will show you all of our inventory in order of price. All you gotta do is scroll down till you see the 14 by 30, approximately 420 square foot floating cabin, that white vinyl exterior and blue roof. You'll see the asking price right there, and then you'll be able to click in and see all the specifications as well as a photo slideshow. Of course, our contact information will be all over that page. That's where you can contact us by phone, by text, or by email for any questions or to set up your own viewing of this one. As I said, this is moored out, does require a boat to view, so you'll want to contact us in advance of your traveling to the area to set up an appointment to see it. So here in the cabin, as you can see, we've got a small little electric fireplace that does put off a little bit of heat. We've got an AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth auxiliary input stereo with some interior and exterior speakers. We've got 2 exterior speakers underneath the corners of that covered front patio. And then this is about a 37-inch Magnavox flat screen television with a built-in DVD player. And then our living room and kitchen area is all opened up in one large room. We've got a small little microwave and a toaster oven, a double stainless sink. They've added some glass holders over top of that sink. Got a coffee maker, a blender, and then this is a full-size Whirlpool electric refrigerator freezer. We've got a dual reclining sofa over here across from the kitchen area, ceiling fan overhead, and then we've got a Fujitsu wall mount heating and air unit. Now that's about 1,600 BTU cooling capacity, I think about 1,700 heating capacity, and that is thermostat controlled, as in you can set your desired temperature and it will maintain that temperature for you. And as I mentioned, this is a 2-bedroom. Our bedrooms are right here near the rear of the cabin. We've got small little louvered doors, ceiling fan in each one of these bedrooms as well. And this is I believe this is a full-size bed on the lower bunk and a twin size on the top bunk. We've got fishing rod holders here in this room as well. And then in our bedrooms, we've got a pair of 19-inch Insignia flat-screen televisions, each with its own DVD player, little dresser, drawer, and shelf for hanging. It's our master bedrooms, just right around the corner. Same thing in here. Now this is a queen bed. Electric panels here. They've got some fishing rod holders here as well. Ceiling fan overhead, and then there's your 19-inch flat screen with the Philips DVD player over here. This is a full bathroom. This is a marine head. Everything on Norris Lake As far as in the waste department, it's going to go to a holding tank where it will be held until it is pumped out. Waste tank could be pumped out on a regular basis on an annual contract. Some marinas will allow you to just pay per pumps as needed. So we've got a walk-in shower, small little vanity sink, and then again that is a marine head. And that's going to send all your wastewater to a holding tank. Now, I believe the holding tank capacity on this one's approximately about 100 gallons. We've got a 19.9 gallon hot water heater. And as I said, this one does have a water maker system. Now, flotation on this particular floating cabin is mostly, well, we've got 4 large aluminum pontoons under the main part of the cabin. And then you've got some additional, let's see, plastic wrapped or plastic encapsulated flotation under the front section of the house. And that's going to continue over to about where this water slide is. Now, underneath a small section of float here where our patio table and lounge chairs are sitting, you've got a little bit of unwrapped raw styrofoam flotation. Now, at this point or at the time of this video, the final version of the TVA's new regulations has not been released to the public yet. However, it is our understanding that as of now, all of the raw styrofoam is going to have to be replaced by 2031. So gives you plenty of time to replace what few pieces of raw styrofoam's under this one, and most of it should meet new regulations. So here's your 2 wave port. These are drive on PWC floats, and then you've got an uncovered patio here on the back of the house, which is mostly being used for storage. You've got 3 Rubbermaid deck lockers that have locks on them. Now, under this patio locker is where your water maker system is housed. That is a lake water pump with a UV filtration system on there. And again, that's going to allow you to make your own potable water pretty much year round. And here's the exterior unit of that Fujitsu wall mount heating and cooling unit. And I'll walk up this side, give you another look around the exterior. So again, contact us through the website with any questions. You will need an appointment to see this one because it is moored out. Be sure to give us some advance notice when you're going to be traveling to the area. We'd be happy to make arrangements to bring you out to look at this one in person. And of course, you can contact us by phone, by text, or by email. If you ever call us on the phone and get our voicemail and would like a return phone call, please make sure you leave a detailed message. We're often in areas without cell phone reception. If you don't leave a message, we will not know that you called. And again, this is starting to conclude the walkthrough video tour of our 14 by 30, approximately 420 square foot floating cabin for sale here on Norris Lake, Tennessee. And I thank you for joining us. If you'd like to be notified of new listings as they come available, you'll see our Your New Boat logo popping up in the top right-hand corner of your screen. If you'll click onto that, that will let you subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is where you'll be notified of new listings as they come available in our area. So thank you again for joining us today, and I look forward to speaking with you if you got any questions.